Hi guys, this is your Sunil from Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center. Hope you are doing good. Today we are making Moong Dal cutlet with the help of Chef Chandru. Let's make it. Let me help you with the ingredients which we require for Moong Dal cutlet. Moong Dal, then we require carrot, then we want beans, cilantro, onion, we require fresh ginger garlic paste. In the spices we require fresh coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and some cumin. Now let's go to the preparation part. Now you can soak the moong dal in water and keep it aside for about 20 to 25 minutes. As we kept the moong dal for soaking, meanwhile we can chop some onion and the vegetables like carrot and beans and cilantro and keep it aside. Moong dal cutlet is a really healthy snacks. Moong dal is really good to balance all three energies. It's very good for the sugar patient as well as moong dal is very good for your bones. Once the pan is hot, put 2 tablespoons of oil. Me using coconut oil, you can take any oil which you like. And put half a teaspoon of cumin to it. Once it is little brown, add the onion to it. Try to make onion slightly golden brown color. The onion gets golden color, that is a good time to add fresh ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic will be a good amount. Fry this also so that the dryness of ginger garlic will go, because usually once it's little brown, all the raw smell of ginger garlic will be gone. You can see our onion ginger garlic paste turn into a very nice color. Once this is golden brown like this, you can add your carrots. Here I am using carrots which can be very easily made 5 to 6 moong dal cutlet. You want more, you can add more vegetable. Once the vegetable is added, mix it well and you can close this in a low flame for about 2 minutes. Our vegetable is frying, we can blend the soaked moong dal. While blending, make sure this is not completely paste. Keep checking the moong dal so that you don't make it completely paste. This is a perfect consistency for moong dal. Very nice game. So now it's time to add that moong dal to our vegetable combination. You can add the moong dal. After adding moong dal, mix well with our vegetable. After adding moong dal, now it's time for add all the spices. We can add Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and you can add salt for the taste. Mix it well with all the spices. Once it completely mixed, then you can close the lid and leave it for about a minute. After 1 to 2 minutes, then you can add fresh cilantro to it and mix it well. Once it's done, mix it nicely and take out the shape of mold whichever you like it. Here we are taking round, so it comes really good. Keep it in a plate like this. If you like any other shapes, you can use it, like star or something like that. You can make it. As it comes very uniformly, we are using the round shape. Once the pan is hot, put 2 spoons of ghee. For the fresh fragrance, it's always good to use ghee. Then you can add moong dal cutlets. And fry the cutlets until it becomes golden brown color. Once it's golden brown, now you can take it and keep it aside. It's very good to serve hot like this. Let's try our healthy snacks. Moong dal cutlet. That comes really delicious. You guys should make this at home, and please let me know how you like it in comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.